You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lies, and people that talk too much.
I got this card because in a few hours you will be my wife, and I couldn't wait any longer to say it. I'm so happy to call you my bride, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you. So please take some deep breaths and enjoy the day. I know you will look beautiful, don't worry. I am just as nervous as you, but the next thing you know we'll be in Italy sipping on some wine. I love you always, your husband.
So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love.
God created us one for another, and He wanted us to do one thing, to fall in love with another person, to find in that person everything we ever hoped for or dreamt about. You have declared your consent before the Lord and His church. May the Lord in His goodness fill you both with His love, and what God has joined together, may nothing ever separate.
Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need.